Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hassan Khan. I'm Chancellor, Riphah International University, Islamabad. As part of our healthcare educational programs, we manage 3 teaching hospitals. I'm delighted to note that this year's World Patient Safety Day is dedicated for healthcare workers' safety. And of course, the theme is healthcare workers' safety, a priority for patient safety. Today, in our context, not only in Pakistan but also in the world over, the COVID threat is probably one of the greatest challenges that has been faced by the world and especially the healthcare community in over a century. We are aware of the risks which are posed by this pandemic to healthcare workers world over. Our healthcare professionals, our nurses, our doctors, our paramedical assistants, hospital managers, the frontline staff are the frontline soldiers in fighting this pandemic. Unfortunately, as a part of this fight, this struggle, we have lost globally quite a substantial number of healthcare workers to the pandemic. So within the context of COVID-19, I believe that it is imperative that we put our healthcare professionals' safety as a priority. As a developing country in Pakistan, where there are challenges in terms of financial availability and investment in healthcare systems, we need to ensure that all our healthcare workers at all levels are provided with adequate personal protection gear. It is imperative, although we understand the challenges and the taxing working hours that healthcare workers have to sustain for an extended period of time, it is so very important that our healthcare professionals are given breaks, that they have the time to relax, they have the time to recharge themselves. So we need to ensure that their working hours are managed appropriately. We know people or those segments of populations whose immune system are compromised or are weak are particularly susceptible to COVID-19. And we also understand there is massive medical evidence pointing to the fact that if a person is not getting enough sleep, if the person is not eating properly, if they are not relaxed, if there are stress, these factors seriously compromise our immune systems and thus our ability to fight diseases and especially COVID-19. So I would reiterate our commitment at Riphah University and in our teaching hospitals that we need to make an extra effort, and we will inshallah ensure that all our health professionals their workloads are managed and they are able to operate in safe environment. Also, I think there's a need to have extensive training vis-a-vis the safety of healthcare workers across different layers of healthcare delivery systems. I think with these endeavors, we can ensure going into the future that our healthcare workers are safe, and that's just paramount to ensure that our patients are safe. Thank you very much.